camp na pwedeng i-serve yung warrant against Senator Bato?
Right.
Yung ICC
There's no
warrant.
problem with serving the warrant. Diba? We are lawmakers, we're not lawbreakers. So they can bring the warrant, we will receive it. Ang sinasabi namin, kailangan mo ng warrant of arrest from a Philippine court. At ang sinasabi namin, in the past, any senator that sought refuge in the Senate was accorded all due process, i-exhaust muna nila legal remedies, saka lang sila nag-voluntary na mag-surrender. So all we're asking for Senator Bato is reason, logic, diba, tanggalin ng emosyon. Mahirap para sa mga victims, tanggalin ng emosyon. Diba? But we're a nation of laws, not of men. Diba? So kailangan dumaan sa korte, yun lang naman. So pag dumaan sa korte, na-exhaust lahat ng legal remedies, kami na mismo kakausap kay Senator Bato na sumuko na. At yun din ang sinabi niya sa akin, even nung nagtatago pa siya, na pagka local court at na-exhaust, susunod siya. Pulis siya senador na siya di ba? So, but let us study everything. I'm hoping to have an all-member caucus, if not today, tomorrow. Kasama sa agenda doon yung impeachment. But remember, hindi pwedeng impeachment lang at ipagin namin because there's so many primarily economic issues that we have to face. Ha?
Sir,
Brief ko kayo.
pag natanggap niyo yung impeachment, magko-convene kayo immediately?
Forthwith.
So the next
Forthwith.
day,
The next day,
the next day.
So, I consulted also Senator Soto. Sabi niya, process, ibigay muna sa committee on rules. So, we will do what has to be done and there won't be delays.
Basta
Okay?
forthwith.
There won't be delays. You judge us on our actions, but I don't know what time i-receive. I don't know kung ano. That's why I want a majority caucus para it's not a decision of only one group.
Sir,
Diba?
sino magiging majority leader tsaka Blue Ribbon?
We're still discussing it. So hindi tinatanggap pa ni Joel yung Then all other committees, there's hardly no discussion pa except kung sino yung mga incumbent.
Sir, ang forthwith, di ba within reasonable time, depending
Yeah,
on
but we won't delay. We won't delay. There's no reason. Diba? The country needs us in other capacities. So the longer this drags out, the more yung attention namin nandyan. But it's such an important accountability process, so we will give it full attention.
Okay, thank you po. Thank you.